Hey guys, so we just arrived here in the AWS Summit in New York City. So this is an annual free global event hosted by AWS in New York. I think they're doing this on other states as well once a year. So this is where IT professionals, tech enthusiasts, cloud computing engineers meet annually to learn what's new in cloud computing, machine learning, and AI, and also network and meet a lot of people. I'm excited. This is my first time attending this event. I'm looking forward to give you a glimpse on what it's like to attend on events like this. And I'm excited to learn about, artificial intelligence and what's new, what's coming from an AWS perspective and AWS partners perspective. So stay tuned. All right, so now we got our badge. We're going to be heading out to our first sessions. So one thing that I really like in the summit is there's around 200 plus sessions that you can choose from. They have lecture type sessions, builder sessions, breakout sessions, Q&A. So today I'm going to be attending this data foundations in the age of AI. So we'll see how it goes. So we just finished that course in data foundations in the age of Gen AI. It's very technical, but bottom line is a lot of projects not going to production because they don't have solid data foundations. So if you think data engineers, data analysts, and all this data professionals are going to go away in the age of AI, I don't think so. There's a lot of opportunities around data. It's all about data, right? It's AI, it's not just AI application, it's data behind that one. All right, now we're heading to the expo hall. This is where the main event is. This is where the booths are set up. Different AWS partners, sponsors. Let's see who's here. I'll give you a walking tour. We have Datadog. So Datadog is a monitoring tool for infrastructure. I believe they are a New York-based company, founded in New York. And you got Snowflake, AI Data Cloud. Wow, Snowflake's big. Coffee. So these are the infrastructure monitoring apps. You got New Relic over here. It's the AWS booth over here. The database companies are here. So we got the ClickHouse, Elastic, Search AI company. Got the AWS training and certification booth here. And they also have the AWS escape room where you can actually do like a gamified training exam sessions.
The Wi-Fi they always measure it on.
So there is a Gen AI avatar here. We're going to try to ask him a question and request him to answer in Filipino language. Let's see.
I'm here to help you explore AWS technologies, generative AI, or anything related to the summit. What would you like to know more about?
What's your advice to someone learning AI? Can you say it in Filipino language?
Ang pangunahing payo ko sa mga gustong matuto ng AI ay magsimulang
Kinda scary.
ng mga
Very fluent.
fundamental, magsanay ng madalas, at huwag matakot magkamali. Subukan mo ang iba't ibang tools tulad ng Amazon Bedrock o mag-explore ng mga online courses. Ang mahalagang bagay ay patuloy na matuto at mag-eksperimento.
Wow, so I hope I was able to give you a glimpse of what it's like to be here in the expo hall in the AWS Summit. It's a little bit of overwhelming when you get in, a lot of companies, but it's a good opportunity to network, find out, what's new and what's coming in cloud computing, tech, and AI. And the good thing here, it's, this event is free. It's you don't need tickets, you don't need memberships. You just need to register ahead, and it's a whole day of learning, networking. It's really, really good. So this is called the keynote. So as you can see, a lot of people lining up, and it's limited capacity. So this is mostly, reserved to sponsors, clients, customers, AWS. So we just finished a session around responsible AI. Basically, it's about data governance, security, understanding the risk of Gen AI. So this is going to be a whole new practice on Gen AI implementations. And, it's funny because people are excited about Gen AI, but because they don't trust humans, right? They're going to trust machines more. But you can't really move these machines to productions if there's no trust as well in these machines. And it's only, governance that will move from early adopters to majority adopters on these AI applications. So without governance, people are not going to trust your Gen AI or AI applications. So it's really good session. All right, so we just finished a builder session. It's a hands-on development session where we use Amazon Q for business. So it's basically, it's a no-code, low-code application that you can use to build Gen AI applications. So basically, we set up data sources, sync your data sources, authenticate users, and basically it will build a chatbot for you. So, if you have all these tables, right, big enterprise data, just load it in there, and you can actually use natural language to get reports, get whatever data that you, or whatever information that you need on all those data. So you don't need ETL to format the data, you don't need all of those. It's basically, you just ingest all the data, set up data sources, and you can query it from the chatbot. It's like ChatGPT. It just asks the application, your best-selling months, whatever financial data or HR data that you need. It's amazing. All right, we're in the expo hall, and it's happy hour time, so everyone can grab a drink, free drink. A lot of free stuff.
All right, ready? Here we go. Yeah, 3, 2, 1, go.
That's it, guys. It's the end of the day. Everyone's going home. And I hope I was able to give you a glimpse of what it's like to be in AWS Summit. And overall, I think what I'm hearing today is all about agents, AI agents, which is different from Agentic AI. A lot about data foundations and governance as well. So stay tuned to the next episode of Lumpia Bytes. I'm going to be sharing my key takeaways. I'm going to be discussing this with Muchi for sure. She's going to have a lot of input in this. And thank you for staying tuned. See you around.